Find a comfortable seat. Whether it's on a cushion, a chair, or directly on the ground, choose a spot where you can sit with ease. The key is to feel supported and at ease, allowing your body to relax into the position. Allow your spine to lengthen and your heart to soften. Imagine a string gently pulling the top of your head towards the sky, creating space between each vertebra. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears and feel your chest open up, inviting a sense of calm and openness. Rest your hands gently in your lap. You can place them palms up or down, whichever feels more natural to you. Notice the sensation of your hands resting, the warmth and the weight, and let this be a reminder to stay grounded and present. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. If not, you can keep a soft gaze a few feet in front of you. Closing your eyes can help you turn your focus inward, away from the distractions of the outside world. This is a time for you, a time to let go of the day and come home to yourself. Allow any thoughts or worries to drift away like leaves floating on a stream. This is your moment to reconnect with your inner self. Take a moment to settle in. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. Notice the points of contact where your body meets the ground or the chair. Let yourself be fully supported, releasing any tension you might be holding. Notice the weight of your body grounding you. Feel the pull of gravity anchoring you to the earth. This connection to the ground can bring a sense of stability and security, helping you to feel more centered and balanced. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Each breath is a reminder of the present moment, a chance to return to your center. Let go of any expectations. There is no right or wrong way to meditate. Allow yourself to simply be without judgment or pressure. Embrace this time as a gift to yourself, a moment of peace in your day. Simply be present with yourself, here and now. Notice the sensations in your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the quiet of your mind. This is your time to find your center, to connect with the stillness within. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm as you inhale and exhale. There's no need to change it. Just observe the gentle flow of your breath. In with peace, out with ease. As you breathe, become aware of your body. Notice any sensations that arise. Perhaps you feel warmth, tingling, pressure, or a sense of spaciousness. Meet each sensation with a gentle curiosity. There's no need to judge or change anything. Simply observe. Focus your attention on the rise and fall of your abdomen. Feel the gentle expansion as you inhale. Notice the subtle contraction as you exhale. With each breath, you invite a sense of calm and presence into your body. Your breath is your anchor. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the rhythm of your breath. There's no need to judge yourself. It's natural for the mind to wander. Simply acknowledge it and return to the present moment. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any sensations present there. Perhaps you feel a tingling or a sense of lightness. Gently move your attention down to your forehead. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Release any tension you may be holding. Continue to scan your body with your breath. Move your attention to your jaw. Let your jaw soften and release. Notice your neck and shoulders. Allow them to relax and let go of any tension. Section 5. The flow of sensations. Bring your awareness to your chest. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. Notice any sensations in your heart center. Allow yourself to feel whatever arises with acceptance and kindness. Continue to scan your body, moving your attention down to your abdomen. Notice the sensations of your breath in your belly. Feel the gentle expansion and contraction. Allow your stomach to soften and release. Section 6. Releasing tension. In this section, we will guide you through a process to help you release any built-up tension in your body, allowing you to feel more relaxed and at ease. Move your attention down to your legs. Feel the connection between your feet and the ground beneath you, whether it's the soft sand of a beach or the cool water of a lake. Notice any sensations present in your thighs, knees, calves, and feet. Pay attention to the subtle differences in temperature, texture, and pressure as you focus on each part of your legs. Perhaps you feel warmth, tingling, or a sense of grounding. These sensations are your body's way of communicating with you, letting you know where you might be holding tension. Allow your legs to relax and release any tension. Imagine the muscles in your thighs, knees, calves, and feet softening and letting go of any tightness or discomfort. As you scan your body, notice any areas where you may be holding tension. It could be in your legs, but also in other parts of your body like your shoulders, back, or neck. Gently breathe into those areas. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine the tension melting away. Feel the soothing effect of your breath as it travels through your body. Imagine your breath flowing into those tight spaces, softening and releasing any tension. Visualize the breath as a gentle wave, washing over the areas of tension and carrying it away. With each exhale, let go a little bit more. Feel the sense of relaxation deepen with every breath, allowing your body to become more and more at ease. Continue this process until you feel a sense of calm and tranquility throughout your entire body. Section 7. Finding stillness within. You have now completed a full scan of your body. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Rest in the stillness of this present moment. You may notice that your mind is quieter now. Thoughts may still arise, but they may feel less intrusive. Observe them without judgment. Simply let them pass by like clouds in the sky. Section 8. Clarity and calm. As you continue to meditate, you may find that you feel more clear-headed and calm. This sense of clarity and calmness is not just a fleeting moment, but a profound state that can be cultivated over time. Meditation allows us to connect deeply with our inner selves, shedding the layers of stress and anxiety that often cloud our minds. Imagine sitting by a tranquil lakeside or on a serene beach, the gentle sounds of nature enveloping you, guiding you into a state of deep relaxation and peace. This is one of the many benefits of regular meditation practice. The more we practice, the more we can access this state of clarity and calm in our daily lives. It's like training a muscle. The more we work on it, the stronger it becomes. Over time, we find that we are less reactive to stress and more capable of handling life's challenges with grace and composure. The serene smile on a meditator's face is a testament to the inner peace that meditation brings. By cultivating mindfulness, we train our minds to be more present, focused, and at ease. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully engaged in the present moment, without judgment. It allows us to observe our thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them. When we practice mindfulness in nature, we can feel a deep connection to the world around us. The reflections of trees in a calm lake remind us of the stillness and clarity that we can achieve within ourselves. When we are present, we are better equipped to make wise decisions and navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Presence allows us to respond to situations with a clear mind and an open heart. It helps us to see things as they are, without the distortions of stress or anxiety. Walking peacefully along a beach or standing calmly by a lake, we can feel the grounding and centering effects of being fully present. This presence is a gift that we can give to ourselves and to those around us. We are also more able to appreciate the good things in our lives and cultivate a sense of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can transform our perspective and enhance our well-being. When we take the time to notice and appreciate the beauty around us, we open our hearts to joy and contentment. A peaceful expression while enjoying nature or a serene moment at a lakeside with birds can remind us of the simple yet profound joys that life has to offer. By embracing clarity and calm, we create a foundation for a more fulfilling and harmonious life. Section 9. Carrying Peace Forward. As you prepare to end your meditation, take a moment to appreciate yourself for taking this time for you. You have given yourself the gift of presence, and in doing so, you have cultivated greater peace and well-being. Carry this sense of peace with you as you move throughout your day. Remember that you can always return to this place of stillness within. Namaste.